So in the morning, 7 or like that, 7 a.m. or 8. Because after buried, we eat lunch all like that. All the people come and eat at home. There in USA, no? After funeral, buried, they will not come and eat there. Here, all the people come eat. I think in USA or other country, if they buried, they will go home. But here, no. They must come and